Assalamualaikum.
Idul Adha. We ought to make sure, my brothers and sisters, or the Eid of sacrifice, we got to make sure not to forget. Allahu Akbar. Since 2001, my brothers and sisters, 241,000 millions. We ought to make sure also, my brothers and sisters, not to forget our 6 brothers and sisters who were killed in the Quebec Mosque massacre, January 29, 2017.
Assalamu A'laikum. What a pleasure to be with you here this morning, my friends. Eid Mubarak. And I will tell you this, it's been a long year and it is so good to see people gathering again, not quite as crowded in as we're used to. Hatred and the anger that does exist around the world and here in Canada. Time and time again over the past years we have been reminded of the ugly face of Islamophobia that has raised its head. Whether it was in Quebec City that the Saints were lost, whether it was losing Muhammad Zafis last year in Mississauga to a terrible attack, whether it's the tragic loss of the Upsell family in London, whether it was the Muslim women in Hamilton, faced with an attack of hatred last week. This is unacceptable. And it's scary. Because we've seen from a time where a number of years ago there was real concern about, is it safe to go to the mosque? Now, women in Canada, people of faith, are worried, is it safe to walk the streets? That is unacceptable, but it is the reality.